Here's some Byzantine iconoclasm trivia. Subscribe. What is the name of the council that condemned iconoclasm in 787? Is it A, Fourth Lateran Council, B, Council of Trent, C, Second Nicene Council, or D, First Council of Nicaea? The correct answer is C, Second Nicene Council. Which Byzantine emperor ended iconoclasm definitively? Is it A, Constantine v. B, Michael III, C, Leo III, or D, Basil I? The correct answer is B, Michael III. Who wrote on the divine images defending icons? Is it A, Gregory of Nyssa, B, Basil the Great, C, Justin Martyr, or D, John of Damascus? The correct answer is D, John of Damascus. What doctrine opposed the veneration of icons during the conflict? Is it A, iconoclasm, B, apostolic tradition, C, Eastern Orthodoxy, or D, papal supremacy? The correct answer is B, apostolic tradition. Who played a key role in the restoration of icons? Is it A, Emperor Justinian, B, Saint Nicholas, C, Patriarch Methodius, or D, Pope Gregory? The correct answer is C, Patriarch Methodius. What term is used for those who supported icon veneration? Is it A, heretics, B, iconodules, C, iconoclasts, or D, Puritans? The correct answer is B, iconodules. What action was often taken against iconodule supporters? Is it A, persecution, B, alliance, C, rejoicing, or D, exile? The correct answer is A, persecution. Which term describes the icons that were destroyed during the periods of iconoclasm? Is it A, holy images, B, religious artifacts, C, sacred texts, or D, divine symbols? The correct answer is A, holy images. What clergy group issued decrees against icon veneration? Is it A, Byzantine bishops, B, Lutheran synod, C, Reformed clergy, or D, Anglican clergy? The correct answer is A, Byzantine bishops. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.